stop it!
Okay, sorry.
That's awesome. Hiccups. Laura, I'm trying to get rid of the hiccups. Why are you making fun of me?
I've seen like everyone.
Mom,
What do you mean you're trying to get rid of the hiccups?
Mom.
What's there to get
Mom, like
rid
Chris
of?
Berizzato has one of these in at workouts, like while during he like drinks something.
Oh, that's
Yeah, there's like a
weird.
mixer thing in it.
Mixer
helps
balls.
you. It mixes the
stuff
powder.
up.
Alright,
It's not just a water bottle. It's actually for those
This
things.
is cool. Thank you.
Spencer has this.
I know, it's
He
for
used
your
to bring
energy.
the mix and then do it at lunch.
Alright,
You're
sweet.
supposed to do it after you work out. That's
So when I get
the whole-
home, just take one. Dad, you're gonna fucking die.
I'm trying to get rid of
Would
the
you rather
hiccups.
have hiccups or die?